Snack on the window, Mr. Bird.
What? I'm trying to enjoy my seeds in peace, cat.
Look, I don't really want nothing. I just want to eat you.
Okay, wait a minute. Did you say you want to eat me?
I said you complete me. Man, you eating a lot of seeds. Just fattening yourself up coming.
Delicious. Hey,
What?
why you got that crazy deranged look in your eyes?
This how I look at all my friends.
Oh, we friends?
Yeah, the only reason you not hanging out we not hanging out together is because of this window.
Oh, so you saying if it wasn't for this window, we'd be best friends hanging out together?
Yep, just like Sylvester and Tweety.
You so full of kitty little.
Roll over.
Doggone it, I'm not in the circus, I'm your child. Okay. You know what? No.
Roll over.
Roll nothing. No.
Roll over.
I played the whole Wolf in Game of Thrones. They didn't make me roll.
Roll over.
John Wick, dog, never had to roll over.
Roll over.
Okay.
Good job.